Everyone keeps calling Bohrium AI the future of research. But after testing it properly, the real question is way simpler: do you actually need it? Or is it just another tool getting hyped online? I spent time checking what Bohrium AI really offers, and the results were more mixed than expected. On the positive side, it's clearly designed for people who deal with heavy information, papers, technical topics, and data-driven tasks. It can help organize research faster, summarize complex material, and save time compared to doing everything manually. For students, analysts, researchers, or anyone drowning in information, that can be genuinely useful. The interface also feels focused on productivity rather than flashy gimmicks, which is a good sign. But here's where things get real if you're a normal everyday user, content creator, casual business owner, or someone just looking for a simple AI assistant. Bohrium may feel like overkill. A lot of people won't use half the features consistently, and that's where tools like this lose value fast. Some outputs are helpful, but like most AI platforms, it still depends on the quality of your prompts and expectations. It doesn't magically replace thinking, and it won't turn weak research into brilliant work overnight. There's also the question of whether you truly need a specialized platform when many users already have access to general AI, tools that can do enough for free or cheaper. So after testing it, my honest conclusion is this: Bohrium AI is not useless, but it's definitely not for everyone. It has real strengths in serious research-focused workflows, but for average users, it may be more impressive in theory than necessary in practice. If your work depends on speed, information handling, and technical depth, it could be worth trying. If not, this might be one of those tools that sounds exciting for a week, then gets forgotten. Bohrium AI isn't bad, it just needs the right user to make sense.